Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. So right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and second do not. And to add the second device we need to firstly enter to prank mode. At the right ear cup we have volume control buttons. You need to press and hold it at the same time to enter prank mode, and you will see that the LED light right here near to the USB-C port start flashing blue and red. Let's check it. So I'm just press and hold on it. Okay, we just entered to prank mode, but this LED light don't want to flash. So it happened. Don't worry. Now we see these headphones at the device list on our second device. Tap on it and we just connect the second device. After that, tap on your headphones at your first device also. And right here, as you can see, we have connection with both of our phones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!